Hello everyone! Get ready with me today for a live stream event starting with the sunscreen na walang white cast, Face Republic Sun Gel or something. I love this. Sobrang dewy niya sa skin. One of my favorite foundations up till now is Fresh Filter from Causemetics. Sobrang flawless niya sa skin and it lasts all day talaga. For concealer, I'm using Happy Skin Serum Concealer under my eyes and I'm blending it using this sponge. Cushion sponge to and isang set na binili ko sa Shopee kasi mas gusto ko to kaysa sa mga egg sponge. For bronzer, I'm using the Issy Co Cream Bronzers. Sobrang ganda nito. This makes me wanna use bronzer every day kasi like, ang ganda niya talaga sa skin. For Get Ready With Me Milktint, I'm using the shade Buttercream. Lately, ito yung ginagamit ko. Sobrang ang lakas niya maka-fresh at saka maka-formal. And of course, I'm using the Velvet Setting Powder. This deserves a zoom in. Tingnan nyo naman. Walang kahit anong filter yan. Sobrang smooth. Sobrang flawless. Walang pores. Just look at the difference. Grabe talaga. So, for the rest of my face, I'm just using a brush. And for my kilay, I'm using the Flexi Brow something from Causemetics. Lately, ito na yung gusto kong gawing brows, yung naka-sleek siya na ganyan, and then I'm gonna use an eyebrow pen para mas natural and snatch siyang tignan for me. Using this new waterproof Microblade pen from BLK in the shade Natural Brown, I'm just filling in my brows sa mga spaces na walang masyadong hair. And I super love this kasi it's pigmented enough. Hindi naman sobra and hindi rin siya kulang. Madali siyang gamitin. So this is new. This is the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow from BLK in the shade Rust. I love the formula. Nagsiset siya sa skin but I don't like the color. Parang too warm. Using the BLK Bridal palette. One of my favorite palettes. If you're gonna get a palette for yourself, get this. Kasi sobrang neutral ng colors niya and sobrang daming beses ko na siyang nagamit for any event talaga. And ito lang medyo shimmery yung ibang mga colors niya. So make sure na gusto niyo yung mga shades and yung shimmery something finish niya before you buy. So this is in the shade Pearl. Same, bago rin siya. Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm just putting it sa brow bone at saka sa inner corner. I'm just using my pinky finger to blend this at sobrang seamless niya kapag blend using the fingers. I'm tightlining my eyes using the waterproof gel liner in shade Black, also from BLK. I don't know if you can tell the difference, pero meron yan. But this one, I won't recommend it to you kasi nagsismudge siya sa under eyes, so no. Liquid eyeliner from Spotlight Cosmetics. One of the best liquid eyeliners. Pero sobrang daming beses ko na siya nagagamit. So yung felt tip niya, medyo hindi na siya sharp. Pero maganda yung pigment nito. I think hindi masyadong nachichika yung Spotlight Cosmetics dito sa TikTok. Hindi ko siya masyado nakikita. But anyway, hindi pantay ang eyeliner ko for today. Pero hayaan ko na lang siya. Yan, buntong hininga na lang tayo, sis. So, I'm just curling my lashes. And for mascara, favorite. Okay, current favorite, Lovely Cosmetics HD Mascara. Just look at the difference. Look at the difference. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-falsies everyday. So, this is from Superface. The legendary, yung glitter liners. And then, clay pen in shade Clay for my nose contour. And I'm just gonna blend it using my fingers. And then, using the lip liners from Vice. Oh my gosh, I can't do my lips without this na ngayon. This is in the shade Kizz and Tell. Pero medyo brownish siya actually sa lips. Hindi siya ganun mauve pink na katulad dun sa cap niya. And using the all-new Satin Luxe Lite from Causemetics. This is in the shade Rose Latte. And I think this is the perfect brownish shade for me. Sobrang ganda talaga niya. And sobrang lightweight. Well, anyway, andito na tayo. Loose highlighter from Lovely Cosmetics. Love this. Sobrang blinding niya. All day, every day. So, I just set this with the Ellana setting spray. Hindi ko lang napakita dito sa video. So, I'm also doing my hair. Kapag ginagawa ko yung hair ko, sinesection ko lang siya into 2 parts. And I do vertical section sa hair, hindi na horizontal kasi mas matagal yun. With this, parang nire-run through ko lang yung straightener and then a little curl sa ilalim. And this takes me just a little bit, like almost 5 minutes lang. Every day. Hindi pala siya everyday. Tuwing hinugasan ko lang yung hair ko. Kasi damage na yung hair ko, sis. Sobrang bleach na yung hair ko. And for my bangs, of course, curly-curly lang tayo dyan. So, this is the end result for my makeup today. Ayos-ayos lang ng bangs dyan. Kasi that is like, wow, galit na yung aso ko. Okay, goodbye. See you later. Bye.